Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to create PID control of PLC S7-300 CPU 314C-2PN/DP. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to create the library of PID control, yes, and we will create the touchscreen for Setpoint, see the PV and check the output, right? And also adjust some parameters, yes. So to create the program, I will use the SIMATIC Manager version 5.6 and WinCC Flexible 2008 CV page 5. Okay, and then we will download and connect to the PLC S7-300 via LAN cable. Okay, so let's go to our software. So here is the software, SIMATIC Manager version 5.6, and this is a WinCC Flexible 2008 CV page 5. Okay, so first we need to create the PID control on the SIMATIC Manager. Yes, so open it. Yes, and then create the new project. Yes. Okay, so to create the new project, let's create the folder first. Example PID control. Yes, PID control, and here is I can write PID control. Yes, PID control, and browse to the folder that we already created on the desktop. Yes, so PID control, yes, the folder, and then click OK, and let's create the object. Yes, S7-300 station. Yeah, so let's double click and then create the hardware configuration. So we will use the power supply first. Yeah, so go to rack, sorry, S7-300. Yeah, go to rack and then go to the real, and then go to PS. Yes, and then go to the CPU. So right now I will use CPU 314C-2PN/DP. Yes, version 3.3. So drag and drop, and then here is the IP address of the CPU. Yes, so let's click OK first, and then here is the address. Yes, automatically made because it built-in CPU. Example for digital input and output, this address start from I136 until I1 3H, yes. Analog also start from AI 800 until AI 809, yes. And this is the analog output start from AI 800 until AI 803, right? And this is a counter and this is the position, yes. So what we need to use, we use only AI and AO, okay. So first let's save our project and then download to the PLC. To download to the PLC, first go to set temporary, yes. It means that set the PC interface, yeah. And then click here, yes. And then click diagnostic to test our connection. Right now I already connected the LAN cable from my PC to the PLC. Yes, we are port PN. Okay, so click OK, and then let's go to download. Yes, select all and then OK first. So wait a moment, it communication between our PC to the PLC. Yes. Little bit, yes, take time. Okay, right now it found one CPU 314C-2PN/DP, okay, and this IP address. So actually we can also ping 192.168.0.1, right? Okay, like this. So we can ping from our PC to the PLC via this IP address. So click view, and then download. Yes, click OK, and then the CPU will stop and start again. Yes. Okay, so to create the PID block, first let's go to the block and then insert, yeah, the new organization block. Yes. Example, I will choose the ladder language and I will choose OB certified cycle block. Yes. Yes. And then let double click on this organization block. Yes. And then go to insert the PID control from the library. Yes. So let's go to library, standard library, and then go to the PID control. Yes. Okay. Normally I use FB41 for control. Yes. So drag and drop and then go here. Yes. Okay. So what we need to do here is we need to create the DB, yeah, data block. Example DB 41. Yes, and then click yes. Okay, and then the DB will create automatically. Yes, here you see. So here we can use the manual mode. Yes, to enable the manual mode, let's go to the manual mode. Yes, like this. by click example. We will use the NO, right? Example 0.0, yes, and drag and drop to the main on, yes, like this. And one more for deselect, yes. You can also create the deselect by press here and then go to here, yes. And I will use ANSI example M0.1, drag and drop, yes, to the deselect, yes. Okay. And actually in the GAN, yes, GAN TI, TD, yes, TM, we can use to manual from the HMI, yes. So we no need to create here, yes. SP in, yes, but the set point we will use from the HMI also. Example set point from touch screen. So we can use the any memory. Example MD 100, yes, like this. And here is the PV. Actually the PV is included on the DB 41st, yes. And here is the output, yes. We can write, create some value, yes, some variable. Example MD 102, yeah. Okay, or we can write 120, yes, like this. So we can save our project and then go to the create the scale, yes. Example, we use the set point from 0 to 10 bar. Example, the pressure 0 to 75 degrees for temperature. So we need to convert the analog input to the scale, right? So save our project and then go to OB1 block, yes, later also. So we need to create the scale, right? So let's go to insert the FC05 from the library, yes. FC S7 block, right? Converting, yes. So I will use this FC105 for scaling. Example, the address is start from AI, yes, PIW 80, sorry, PIW 800, yes. So here we can write PIW 800. And then example, it is the high scale, yeah. Example 100 bar, this 0, yes. And here we can use another memory, example M 100.0, yes. And here is the output, right? So we can use W50, yes. And here is the output. Actually the output is related to the dB, right? This dB, yes. So the PV, yes, let's see, the PV is start from dB 41st dot dBd 10, right? PV in, yes. So let's go to dB 41st dot dBd 10, right, for PV. Okay, so let's save the project, yes. Okay, so that's all for created the block of PID. So let's select all and then download to the PLC, yeah, by click download, stop, and then start again. And then let's go to OB1 for check the analog input, yes, come or not. Okay, so right now I will adjust the milliamp, yes. Okay, I will adjust. Okay, decrease, you see, when the maximum it will show 100 bar, right? Yes. Adjust the analog input, yes. Okay, so right now the analog input is okay. So let's go to OB certify, yes. And then like this. Okay. So actually we can online both block, yes. So right now the output is still 0, yes, because we not yet set point, yes. To create the set point and some parameter from the HMI. So let's go to our software WinCC Flexible, yes. So I minimize this one first, and then let's go to WinCC Flexible, yes. And then I will choose the new screen, yes. Yes, I will use the TP 177B 6" color, yes. So let's click OK. So first we need to create the connection, yes. Double click on connection, example PID control. Yeah, connect to S7-300, yes. Online on connection for HMI with PID, yes. Okay. And then I will use the internet, yeah. And here is the IP address of my computer, example So IP config. Okay, right now my PC is 192.168.0.253. Yes, so 192.168.0.253. Yes, and here is the IP address of the PLC. So 192.168.0.1, right? Okay, so we can simulate from the HMI from the PC without HMI. Yes. Okay, so click OK and then go to take, right? Okay, I will save the project first. Yeah, example PID screen, PID HMI. Yes. PID HMI. Yes. Okay, and we need to create the tag, right? So first we need to create the set point, right? Set point value from the HMI, example 10 bar, 10 degrees Celsius, example. Okay, so we need to create the set point first. So to create the set point, let create the variable. So set point PID, yes, and it is the real data type and start from MD, right? So MD 100, yes. MD 100. Okay, and the next we will create the PV, right? So it is the feedback, yes, or we can say PV. So let's go to check the box for the PV. So go here, DB 41st, yeah, and go to check the PV, right? So PV in, and the output, right? PV in, it is the out. So input we can use this one, yes. So it is the real, right? PV real also, and then here is the PV. So db1, sorry, db 41st dot dbd10, yes, db 41st dot dbd10, yes. Okay, and the next step we will create the gain, right? Here gain ti, td, and tm, right? So create the gain. Yes, for gain we can use from here, because we need to tune the PID. Yes, db 41st.dbd 20, right, for gain. So I will change this one to 20. Okay, and the next is the TI, right? So TI is 24. Okay, correct. The next is the TD, 28, right? And one more for TM, take TM leg. Yes, 32. Okay, so we can create the screen. Yes, because we already created the text. So let's go to sample object, and then go to the text file. Yes, example PID control and monitoring. I will change the color, yes, to be blue color. Yes, and adjust the font to be 18. Yes, example 18. So big, so 14. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to create the PV, right? So as SV first, set point first, also okay. So SP, it means that set point. Yes, change the color to be okay, yellow color, and then create the IO file, right? So set point is the input, right? So it is the format, example 999.9. Yes, like this. And let's go to text. So SP, yes, set point PID. Let align to be center, and then middle. Yes. Okay, so we can copy from this part for feedback. Feedback, right? This is a set point. We can write set point. Yes, set point feedback. So feedback is the output, right? Go to feedback. Yes, and then we can copy. Yes, drag and drop, copy. For gain, right? Gain. So gain is the input. Here is gain. and this one should be like this. Yes, and the next step should be TI, right? So TI, this one also take TI, right? TD, yeah, TD. It is the millisec for TD, TI. Yes, TD. And the last one is T leg. Yes. So we need to monitor the output also, right? So the output, you see the block, right? Here is the output. Let's go to output. Okay, this one for output. So dB for T first dot dvd 70 second. Yes. So need to create one more take, yeah, for output 70 second, right? Okay. So the last one is output, right? So it is the output. Should be like this. .99, .9, yes. And it is the output. Yes. Okay, so let's align the text. Gain. Yes, align. Okay, so we can align left, right? Okay, good. So let's save the screen and then let simulation. Yes, simulation. Okay, so I will change the font to be bigger than this. Go to property, text, and then adjust to 15. Yes. Okay. So here example, we have the unit also. Example by, yes. And this is a feedback, yes. And this one example percent, yes. Output is percent. Control the VSD or some electrical devices. So let's test again. Okay, good. Okay. So right now I will set point to this one, yes. Example, I would like to set 50 bar, yes, 50 bars. You see here is 50, and then the PV is 82.3 bars, yes. So the PID is not yet working right now because we not yet adjust the gain TI, TD, yes. So example, I adjust gain to 2, TD example 1000, yes. 6000 also. 2000, yes. Let's see, I will adjust the milliamp, yes, to let the PV is less than set point, yes. Less than set point. And we need to put the cycle time also, yes. So I will offline first and then go to put the cycle time. Example T 100 millisecond. Save and then download again. Yes. Okay, right now you see the PID is working, yes. If I adjust the output, adjust the PV, yes, less than set point, you see the output is go to 100%, yes, because the PV is less than set point. If I adjust the PV, yes, to be greater than the set point, it will the output will go to 0. Okay. Okay, if I adjust decrease again, so here we can tune, yes, the PID also. Example adjust to 4, yes. Yes, you see the output is start adjust. If we would like to fast or slow, yes, to control fast or slow, we can adjust this parameter, yes. Yes. So if the set point, okay, I will adjust the set point to be 90 bars, yes, and you see the output is go to 100% because the PV is less than. Yeah, I will adjust the PV. Yes. Okay, so it's fast, so we can adjust this one. Yes, it's so fast, right? So we can adjust again to 2 or 3. Yes. So it will calculate by gain and this time. Yes. So we can adjust it. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope everyone will understand how to create the sample PID control for testing from the touchscreen. Yes. Also create the touchscreen for monitoring and control by adjust the parameters or some variables. So thank you very much, and we will see you next video. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.